Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to provide you a new promo code, two new promo codes for jcrew.com. So stay tuned and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you will subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, then you will get notification when I upload a new video. Then you will get your codes on time. So I highly recommend you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So before wasting any time, let's get started. The code number one I'm going to provide you is, this code will give you extra 70% off clearance plus up to 70% off site wide. So the code number one is FIREWORKS. This is the code number one. Now I am moving towards code number two. The code number two I'm going to provide you is, this code will give you FOURTH. Yeah, this is the code number two. Simply redeem this code and get your reward. So thanks for watching.